Hey, John Gardner here with the creative genius E-Dub behind the camera for your 60-second, under 60-second tech tip. 3, 2, 1, go. You might have a wheel bearing problem. How do you know? Well, you swerve to the right or the left and you got this woo-woo-woo going on out there. Change road surfaces. I go over a bridge and the noise changes. Well, then it's probably a tire. If it doesn't change, it's a bearing. What do? Check it. Come over, grab it, wheel it up and down. If it's flopping all around, you probably got a wheel bearing problem. You can take a stethoscope like this, put it on, spin it. If you hear anything, you got a problem. What do you want to hear? Well, you want to hear some grinding like that. That's not good. What's good is this is nice and smooth. Oh, pause the signal for a minute. I got a phone call. Hello?
Under a minute.
Dude, I can see you.